Hi, welcome to another installment of OrgoDBA Tutor. Today I'm going to take you guys through basically how to perform a recovery for a table space that was dropped. So the first thing you do is I'm already logged into SQL Plus, and I'm also logged into Amen. So first thing is I have to create my dummy table space. So create table space test data file, and then should be there you go, test.pdf, size on issue 10 megabytes. There you go, it's been created. So now I am actually going to exit Amen and then log into Amen, connect to my target. Again, the reason why I'm going to the target is I intend to perform a control file backup, and if I wanted to perform a recovery catalog backup, then I would have logged into the catalog, which is just connect Amen / connect catalog Amen / Amen. That's the way to connect to the Amen recovery catalog as Amen. So what I'm gonna do here is I am going to back up current control file. Okay, and I'm also going to issue a backup for the entire database, including the archive logs. And also, I was fortunate enough to find a file, basically with different steps on how to do it, and so I think like a very important step is to remember to back up your control file, because eventually you're gonna have to do a restore control file in order to back up. Which basically, if you haven't stored your control file, then you're screwed. So I'm backing up the entire database. I'm actually gonna put a pause. I'm gonna pause here, and I'll be back when the backup is complete. Okay, welcome back. So the backup is done. What I'm gonna do now is I am actually going to backup is done. I am going to drop my tablespace by issuing a drop tablespace command. Drop tablespace including contents and data files. Okay, tablespace dropped. Already have my backup. So what I'm gonna do next is I have to what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut down immediate. So I'm going to shut down the database, and I'm going to restart it in no mount mode. And I'm doing this mainly for the sake of Amen, because for the way that recovery manager works is I'm gonna be restoring and recovering that tablespace that was dropped, and if I was to issue a command right now while this is still going on, then I'm gonna be just give me an error. So I have to wait for the instance to actually be in start mode. So I'm gonna issue a command startup. and just so you guys know, this is the most basic startup command. The next one up is a startup mount, and after that is the open mode. And the way that it works is with startup no mount. Basically, if you think of it as in by steps, so startup no mount, you have the server parameter files and the parameter files, whichever one you're using. Like all those parameters are being read by the database before you can move forward. And then the next one is the mount mode, where basically you which is this one, just mount by itself. But basically you have the control file that's going to be read. But basically in the control file you have the locations for the database, the data files, the control files. Pretty much anything anything that's related to your software should be in the control file. That's why it's one of the most important things to not tamper with in terms of your open software. So I'm going to log into Arman, connect catalog, no, connect target. Okay, not mounted. Okay, restore control file from local backup. Just give me 1 second. I have to make sure that something is not way off. Good, I think. You know what? I'm just gonna check my directory because I don't like what it's on. So switch app local Cascovia XE. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I am going to get into my the alert into my alert log, and that should be this one. So it's actually the path is app Oracle, Diag, RDBMS, XESE, the softwares, the software name, and then trace. And I'm going to this one to see. Hold on, not this one. Actually, this one. Oh man, so confusing. Okay, so I was right the first time. It's actually trace alert-sc. And the reason why I want to be in this file is I need to I'm looking for the time that the tablespace was dropped. So the way, again, that's the way to basically bring back a database. So there you go. Did you see what I'm looking for? I'm looking for this time, Sunday, December 29th. I'll copy this part. Copy this part. I want to close this window. I'm going to minimize this. And then what I'm going to do next is I am going to I'm still in Arman, so I'm going to issue run block, and then run set until time to export date. I'm gonna paste the information I have. So again, so it's December, so it's gonna be the 29th. I'm gonna issue 18 or 29 December slash 2015, and then the time is 14:15, 14. Okay. And then this should be single quote, and then the format, day, month, year, 24. Again, I'm doing this because of, for the sake of timestamp. You have to, so if I was to just say, you know, I need to find out what the date, you can do that anytime, but I'm looking for a particular time. That's the time before the before it was dropped, before the tablespace was dropped. So I'm gonna issue minute, seconds. Okay. Set until time to date set until time to date 29 December 14:15, month, day, month, year, 24. Okay, that looks right. And then restore database, recover database. Oh no, made a mistake. Run. Let me copy. and close it with the bracket. Okay. That's the database now. Okay. Just mount it. Okay, let's try it again. Run. Set until, okay. Restore. No, 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 no. Run. Set until restore database, recover database, and then close it. So right now it's the database is being restored and recovered. So it's gonna take just a little bit of time. Okay, finish restore. Okay, now it's working on the recovery. Okay, finish recovery. Okay, and then remember the whole time. Okay. What I'm doing next is I'm actually gonna open Alter database. Open. Reset logs. There you go, database has been open. So now I'm going to issue the command select file name, comma, bytes from DVA underscore data underscore files where table place name is equal to upper. Yes. What I do circle and new tools and test. Okay, select, you know what, let's make this short. Select file number name from the data file and Okay, so it seems like I made a mistake along the way. Um, but if everything had gone right, this would have been um, this would have actually read out as that as the test that DBF file that I created. Um, so in 1 second, but it's still showing. It's still available in my directory. So this is another wonder of working with Oracle. You never know what you're gonna get. But pretty much these are the steps that everything I just showed you. You go back and forth between RMAN and the SQL Plus, and then there's a once you do that, give me 1 second. So yeah,